One of the exceptionally good quality features of Kwiksan is that it can be used to clean electronic equipment, electronics such as phones, speakers, headphones, even things like, smart glasses, that kind of thing, as well as sanitize them. The reason that you can do this is that Kwiksan is non-conductive and will not damage electronic components. So we're actually going to put it to the test today. We've got a Bluetooth speaker here, which we're going to play some music through right now. Then we're going to place it in the speaker of Kwiksan, bring it out, let it dry, and then see if it still works. So let's give it a crack. Okay, let's give it a crack. Let's put it into the beaker. We'll leave it switched on. We'll actually switch it off. Change of plan. Switch it off. Going to place it in here to sanitize it, because sanitizing things like this is important. I'll just get some paper towel if you've got some there. So we'll just dry this because it's sanitized now. Kills COVID in 60 seconds. Flick it back on. It's reconnected. Acid tests. Boom!